Today I'll be showing how to convert text to speech. Go over to your Chrome and search for lovevoice.com. Lovevoice.com. You click it. This is the interface. You can type in here what you want to convert to speech. But what I want to convert to speech, I have typed it in my notepad. So I will go over to my notepad to copy it and paste it here. So I will go over to my notepad then copy it and go over to Chrome, to the lovevoice.com. I will paste it here. So this is what I want to convert to speech. Now you can change this English United to anyone you like by clicking on it, but I want to use English United. Then you can also change the character of the voice you want to use. If you click on this Genin, you can choose any character you want to use his voice. I want to use this guy. I'll click it. Then after, I will now click on generate. You click on verify you are a woman. It's not generating. So after it now, you can now click on download to download it. You can see the file has been downloaded. You click open. You can listen to the voice you have converted to speech.
Hello everyone. I am Ejiofor Chukwuebuka, the CEO of Edumunited YouTube channel. I am a physics and mathematics tutor, a professional video editor and graphics designer. I deliver quality designs like birthday flyer, business flyer, logo design, advert design, poster, business card, invitation card etc. I am available at the moment and will reply shortly. So place your order. Contact phone 0703-895-1808.
So please, if you like this my channel, please do well to subscribe, comment, share and like. Thanks for listening.